Oh my god, OMG. Would you like to know how to make these delicious avocado and marinated greens open sandwiches on rye bread? Then you should probably watch this video.
Start by buttering up your toasted rye bread. Remember to toast your rye bread, it's just delicious. I've peeled the avocado and pre-sliced it thinly. Now put it on the rye bread with love and push down gently on top to spread out the slices until it covers the whole thing. For the topping I have cut out some snack peppers in different colors. Season them with half a lemon, some salt and pepper and the best olive oil you have available. Finally, add basil leaves for taste and appearance. Stir together with your fingers and gently place it on top of the avocado. Finish off the whole thing with some smoked salty almonds. And looky here, looks tasty, right?
What the fucks? They are beautiful. I think they're gonna be very tasty. They're a little bit flatter than I would like them to be. I think they should be taller, right? But I can't wait to sink my teeth into these. If you like this content, then please consider to subscribe. I know everyone says that, but it's kind of the currency on this side, right? So push that tiny button like you mean it. See you.